Hi friends, this video shows how to fix all mobile network problems. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, go down, go to general management, tap here, go down, tap on reset, tap here, go down, tap on reset mobile network settings, tap here, tap on this reset settings button, then enter lock password, then tap on this reset button. This reset operation is safe. It will not delete any data from your phone. It will not delete your photos, videos, contacts, anything. It just reset only the mobile network settings. That's all. Tap on this reset button. See the message network settings reset. Done. Then close this. Then again go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Tap on connections. Tap on mobile networks. Tap on network mode. If you are using 5G SIM, select this first option 5G preferred. Then tap on access point names. If you are using 4G or 3G SIM, tap here, tap on these three dots, tap on reset to default, tap on reset. Done. Go back. Then tap on network operators. We should enable this option, select automatically. Go back. If you are outside home network, enable data roaming. If you want to use voice or 5G or VoNR, enable this option. If you want to use 2G networks in areas where other networks are not available, enable this option, allow 2G service. Then go back. Then tap on data usage. Enable this option, mobile data. Done. After this, you can check your mobile network settings. That should work. This way we can reset all mobile network settings and fix all mobile network problems. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.